Hello loves, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thanks for subscribing, and if today is your first time of coming across my channel, you're highly welcome. Please do so good to click on that red subscribe button below this video to subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. This will enable you get notified whenever I upload a new video. In today's video, I'm super excited to share with you on how to make peanut candy or groundnut candy. Guys, you're going to love this recipe. So if you want to know how I came up with this delicious recipe, continue watching as I walk you through. So the first ingredient I have here is peanuts or groundnuts. This is 1.5 cup of peanuts, and the next process is to crush the peanuts. So use whatever works well to crush the peanuts. So I'm done crushing the peanuts. This is how it will look like. Hope you guys are seeing this. And the next ingredient I have here is granulated sugar. This is 1 cup of granulated sugar. I've poured in granulated sugar in a pot, and I'll be stirring the sugar on a very low heat, like very low heat, guys. So we keep stirring the sugar until it melts and turns brown. The sugar has completely melted. Hope you guys are seeing this. The next step is to pour in the crushed peanuts and stir immediately. Make sure you stir very well till well incorporated. Guys, this is it. Put it on in a foil and press immediately while hot. Because once it gets cold, it will be difficult to press. Guys, this is it. This is our peanut candy. This is our groundnut candy, guys. As you guys can see, this recipe is so easy. With your granulated sugar and your peanuts, you're good to go. Guys, make sure you try out this recipe, and I bet you are going to love this delicious peanut candy recipe. Hope you loved and enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, please share, and as well subscribe, and also leave me comments in the comment section and tell me what you think about this delicious recipe. See you in my next one. Bye bye.